In this video, we will solve word problem related to fractions. So, watch my video till end. So, our first question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction reduces to 1 and it become 1 upon 2 if we only added 1 to the denominator. Then we have to find out what will be the fraction. Here we assume that let the numerator be x and denominator be y. If numerator is x and denominator is y, then fraction will be numerator upon denominator, that is x upon y. Now according to the question, first condition is what? If 1 is added to the numerator and 1 subtract from the denominator. Means this is numerator. If we will add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, then fraction reduced to 1. So our numerator is what? X. So x plus 1, denominator is y. So y minus 1 is equal to 1. Cross multiply. So you will get x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. This implies x minus y is equal to minus 1. ये ट्रांसपोज होगा तो ये भी minus 1. So it is x minus y is equal to minus 2. This will be one relationship between numerator and denominator, or x and y. First equation. Now one more condition is given here, and that condition is if we add 1 to the denominator. So numerator will be as it is, and we add 1 to the denominator, that fraction become 1 upon 2. So numerator is x, denominator y plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. Cross multiply, 2x is equal to y plus 1. So 2x minus y, transpose y in LHS, is equal to 1. So this will be the second equation. Now we will solve these two equations with the help of any method. See, the coefficient of y and y are same. So using elimination, what we do? We just subtract both the equations. Equation 2 minus equation 1. 2 is what? 2x minus y is equal to 1. And 1 is what? X minus y is equal to minus 2. Minus plus plus. Y cancel. 2x minus x is x. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So in this way we get the value of x is equal to 3. Now we will put the value of x, means putting x is equal to 3 in equation, any equation. Suppose we put in equation 2. So it will be 2 into x. X is 3 minus y is equal to 1. So 3 2 ja 6, and transpose 1 here, it is minus 1, and transpose y in RHS, so y. So what we get? 6 minus 1 is 5. So y is equal to 5. So value of y is 5. So fraction will be x upon y. So x is what? 3 and y is what? 5. So this will be our required fraction. Question is what? a fraction become 1 upon 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it will become 1 upon 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. So the starting of question will be same. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y, then fraction will be x upon y. Now we come to the first condition. First condition is what? If 1 is subtracted from the numerator, means numerator minus 1 upon denominator. Only 1 is subtracted from the numerator, then it will become 1 upon 3. So numerator is what? X minus 1, denominator is y, is equal to 1 upon 3. So it is 3x minus 3 is equal to y. So 3x minus y is equal to 3. This will be the first equation. Now the second condition, this is our fraction numerator upon denominator. But according to question, 8 is added to the denominator. If we will add 8 to the denominator, it will become 1 upon 4. So x upon y plus 8 is equal to 1 upon 4. 4 into x, it is 4x is equal to y plus 8. So 4x minus y is equal to 8. Y को अगर ट्रांसपोज कर दिया नेगेटिव हो गया. This is our second equation. Now we will solve these two equations with the help of elimination method. See, the coefficient of y and coefficient of y is same. वहाँ y की coefficient same है. क्या करें? Subtract कर देते हैं. So equation 2 minus equation 1. क्या किया हमने? Equation 2 में से equation 1 को minus करना है. तो 4x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus y is equal to 3. Minus, 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 plus, minus. 4x minus 3x is x, y cancel, and it is 5. So value of x is equal to 5. Now we will put this value in the second equation. You may put in any equation, किसी भी equation में put कर सकते हैं. यहाँ second में put कर रहे. So putting x is equal to 5 in equation 2. So it is 4x, so 4 into x, value of x is what? 5. 4 into 5 minus y is equal to 8. So 4 5 ja 20 minus y is equal to 8. So 20, 8 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर लेंगे, minus 8, y को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे तो y. 20 minus 8 is 12, y is equal to 12. So fraction, हमारी fraction क्या हो जाएगी? x upon y. x की वैल्यू कितनी? 5, y की वैल्यू कितनी? 12. This will be answer. Given that the sum of numerator and denominator of a fraction is 4 more than twice of numerator, and if we will add 3 to each numerator and denominator, then the ratio of numerator and denominator will be 2:3. So we will start question with the same assumption. Let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So fraction will be x upon y. First condition, the sum of numerator and denominator is 4 more, means plus 4. More होगा तो plus 4 कर लेंगे, less होगा तो minus. तो 4 more than what? Twice of numerator. So numerator is what? X, denominator is y. 2, again numerator is x plus 4. x को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर लेंगे 2x, तो x minus 2x, x minus 2x is minus x plus y is equal to 4. This is our first equation. Second, if 3 is added to both, the ratio of numerator and denominator will become 2:3. Means what? The fraction become 2/3. See, the second, numerator plus 3 and denominator plus 3, then it will be 2:3. Means the ratio is 2/3. See, numerator is x plus 3 y plus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. 3x plus 3 3 ja 9. 2y plus 2 3 ja 6. So it is 3x. 2y को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर लेंगे तो माइनस 2y is equal to 6 minus 9. So it is 3x minus 2y is equal to 6 minus 9 is minus 3. This is our second equation. Now using elimination, we will solve both the equations. See, here it is y and 2y. If you multiply this equation by 2, then it will be 2y. And the sign is plus and here is minus. So we will add both. दोनों के साइन अपोजिट है इसलिए हम इनको ऐड कर देंगे. तो करना क्या है, 2 into इक्वेशन 1 प्लस इक्वेशन 2. 2 into this minus 2x plus 2y is equal to 8. Then 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. ऐड कर रहे हैं, साइन चेंज नहीं होगा, माइनस 2y. ऐड कर रहे हैं, साइन चेंज नहीं होगा, माइनस 2y कैंसल. 3x minus 2x is x and 8 minus 3 is 5. So value of x is 5. Now putting this value in any equation, so putting x is equal to 5 in equation 2. We will put x is equal to 5 in this equation. So it is 3 into 5 minus 2y is equal to minus 3. 3 5 जा 15 प्लस 3 को ट्रांसपोज कर लेंगे तो सॉरी माइनस 3 को इधर ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो प्लस हो जाएगा. 2y को RHS में ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे 2y हो जाएगा. तो 15 प्लस 3 18 इज इक्वल टू 2y. ये 2 इधर आएगा, डिवाइड हो जाएगा तो बचेगा 9. तो y इज इक्वल टू 9. Hence the fraction x upon y. So x is what? 5 and y is what? 9. So this will be answer.